I just like the sound of it.
I just like the way it sounds. I've been chilling back as I'm smoking in my town, blowing fumes around, laughing like a hound, cause you understand why it's MOB right now. I've been going loud, I've been going proud, I've been sipping on my drink, leaning back right now. I've been feeling pain, I've been feeling chains, tugging at me, man, pulling me again, but I will pull back. I'm a rebel in my core, purple in my sack. I ain't never stopping cause I know I got the knack. As I'm rolling all these blunts in the caddy shack, as I'm sitting here, guns in a Cadillac. I've changed since then, now I'm sitting down, being the best dad when I'm up in my town. But I still regret being a good man, even though I know it's for the best. It wasn't my plan, it wasn't my plan, but I'm still getting faded and elevated and medicated. I've been affiliated and now I'm reinstated. I'm going on my future, but my future been debated. Like the sound of that tipping on my hat. I'm the cat in the hat with my lyrics always fat, polishing a gat, Bible on the stand. But you can understand why it's hard being a man. I've been going crazy, thinking about my baby, screwed over by ladies, but I'm still hazing. All these people think that I'm so amazing, so I've been going as I'm always get praised in. I like the way the beat jumps when I make it go bump. You understand the reason why I'm not being dumb by no music ever. I'm only getting better. I've been going crazy, I feel light as a feather. I've been feeling cool and I will act a fool. I'm getting so stupid and dumb, I break the rules. I've been living by as my blunts begin to mold. You can understand cause that's how old I've been going on this music and I feel right. So I've been living in my music every single night. I'm Michael Myers when I'm chilling on the porch at night, and I'm the Lion King when I'm staring into the light, because all that I see is mine. I've been going with my music and my heart combines, and when I'm doing music then I'm feeling fine. Now watch me walk it out and then I'm back on my grind. I'm only in my prime, I still got a story to tell. You understand the reason you all can go to hell. Everything is for sale, and that's all I know. So when I'm busting all these dope ass flows, just let it roll. I like the way it sounds. You understand, Stoner Man the best here around. I learned from contraband, watch me as I ride. I've been rapping every day and every single night. And when I pass away, like R.I.P., just leave a flower on my grave and let me be. You hear the bass bumping even when I'm dead, cause legends in my mind, yeah, legends in my head. I'm Machiavelli of the new age. You can feel my rage when I'm bumping on my rap, when I'm on the stage. You could turn the page, but I never go away, because my echo always rocks the place. Now you see my face.
I just like the sound of it.
But anyways, I'll let it play, and I will go, even with delays, because I always pause, but I have a cause, because it snaps back with violence like, oh my god, I ain't never stopping, cause I am no fraud. I've been going through, and you will see no flaws. Stoner Man been riding, and you screaming, yeah, because Stoner Man did it, and he's leaving by it. Not being denied, sniper in my fucking eye, lyrics been going so hard, making angels cry. See you later, I'm done with this. I just made all my fucking haters pissed.